This isn't just a gadget store, it's the plug. Welcome to Papazo Communication, where tech is affordable, vibes are unmatched, and services top tier. From iPhones to Samsungs, laptops to speakers, gym equipment to household gadgets, if it powers up, we probably have it. And yeah, we keep it real with the prices too. Our team, friendly. The store, always stocked. The energy, 100%. So you do not have to stress or second guess when you're buying anything from us, because this is where quality lives. So whether you're buying your first phone or you're upgrading like a boss, deal with the people that get it. Paparazzi Communication is affordable, reliable, trusted, and look your favorite blog. Period.
Look at me if I see it. At the lie, miss you, stand. Can't wait till I see her. With the machine, know that she mine. We are the car dealer. She can have whatever she like. Yeah, he's a no visa.